what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Scrape Many Part 3. For this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with your capo on 1. You're going to have a G shape, a G chord like that, 3, 2, 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. And you're going to strum between the E string, D, and G string. So the first part goes through middle finger on the 3rd fret, and then open on the D and G. And then the next part is just open A, and then middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. But then you'll have your G shape up here and you'll play. Right, so. So that's slower. It was like